Armani and Prada. You know Prada.
Is she on the modeling end, or is she on the design?
Here's their warehouse.
No, commercial.
Sales. Oh, sales.
She's the assistant of a sales manager of Moschino. Moschino is like Armani or something like that.
Okay.
One of the biggest in Italy.
Yeah, I've heard that name.
And
That's
Prada
good
is,
position. Well, she must. She's into that fancy lifestyle.
Yeah.
Very good. Just get an idea of their factory here. New distribution system here.
Well, this one's shut down, so we're going to the other one while we're reading. All right, you want to fire the whole one while we're reading?
Può essere che è entrata da qua proprio invece. Ha ragione. Se tu sei entrata proprio da qua.
It's possible that
Facciamo
un'altra prova.
Può comunque anche l'avviamento.
That's not too bad.
What?
Sai di cosa si può tarare l'accensione? Dipende se uno vuole la partenza conforme diciamo.
Is this also IP44 protected?
Everything is IP56.
Is that a requirement of all units in Europe to meet that standard?
Electrical box 56. Was more. higher protection.
Now this is louder than the fan unit.
Yeah, and it has more push.
Yeah.
too, you know.
I mean, that seems pretty quiet to me.
Qua quanti metri cubi sono l'aria? Piano? Quanti metri cubi sono?
This is acceptable.
8.000? 6.000? Qua? Perché non lo sono su? 80?
Dovrebbe essere 6.000, 5-6.000. So 15 kilowatts is 48,000 a year. Awesome. Get that.
Starve it down again. Low. No, not on the tank. Turn your...
Flanner is very good. So
Yeah.
medium.
Dude, go up just real slow. That's good. You have a little yellow at the bottom end, otherwise it's pretty blue.
Pardon?
So it gets yellow when you get way down at the bottom, but otherwise it stays blue pretty good.
And what does that mean? You're getting
Just
complete combustion?
Well, yeah. I mean, you can have yellow. That doesn't necessarily mean it's a problem. It's just that it shows you're hitting, going to down to the lower limits. Now you use...
This is not propane.
So that actually senses your the fumes so you can see how efficient the unit is. Very good. Is that special equipment or is that?
Vacuum cleaner. Standard. Just for self-steam when you put pressure washers or heaters. Heaters there. Vacuum cleaner.
Robert.
Libretti che non vanno a cambiare.
Roberto. This is the original scrubber, evidently this is a 1930 unit that was evidently used in America. This is their museum. It's quite a setup. Very nice display room. Evidently they get these evaporative units from Australia. It's the indirect units. So their high-end unit, and lo and behold, their low-end unit. Pressure washers, motor driven. This is a vacuum system that they purchase and resell. And this is a vacuum steam unit. And they've determined that the name Sissy is probably not appropriate, and they're going to have to change the name of the product. A little pressure evidently. It's a wood burning unit. And gas fire, permanent. I believe they have these units purchased on the outside. Put their organization chart right there in the lobby. International time.
Did you get your shoe fixed? What was the name? Hole punching?
They've got two other manufacturing, these are their manufacturing facilities here. Work in process. Welding. Tank testing. This is their combustion chamber on their indirect fired unit. Welding. One lane. And diameter. Spot welding. Rolling machine.
Their continuous steam welder doesn't require any water cooling.
Center, $1 million investment. Doing maintenance. Welding tables. assembly of power washers. Work in process.
Sai come sono tipo le ciabatte dietro? When you chiede qualcosa ti taglia un piede. When you get your powder coated part, when you bring your powder, they don't.
Technical offices. Engineering.
Got the same
Quality.
as I do.
Technical. Director's office.
told you.
Okay.
Like a normal computer with a fan, and then you connect with the plug to the heater. And you can check many troubles he has. And then you can use like your
Before to
portable.
open a machine, I need to have a directly.
Diagnosis. That's
Okay, but currently you're only diagnosing combustion.
at the moment,
Yeah,
yes.
but you plan to go and diagnose the whole
Everything, like cars. Cars, you can no problem with combustion, electrical, many other things. The engine, electrical engine, and so on.
now. Would you sell this to your service center,
Yes,
and then as a package?
for a service center.
Yeah. So, and this is just what we call Palm Pilot version of it.
They do their own technical literature here.
Ranking division.
Generate a lot of paper.
Okay.
There's an old unit being converted to a new unit. This is their assembly area for the patio heaters. These are ready heater units and master units. Testing.
They want the royalty.
You make them stars. You'll be on the internet tonight.
We'll produce.
Automatic packaging. Automatic shrink wrap palleting. Final testing. La guardi.